If you have reached here, then you're meant to hear this guidance coming from the universe for your relationship aspect. So I've already pulled out the cards for you. The very first thing that I'm getting is the fact that in your current relationship with your current partner, you have already had certain odd experiences around 3 to 4 months back, okay? And it was very triggering, both on mental and emotional level. And you have passed that timeline, you're not in that timeline, you have passed that timeline, but still that situation, still that particular experience bothers you, okay? And there could be cancelled situation when it isn't, like, it still feels emotionally very draining. You're not in that situation. You have passed that timeline, but still it is emotionally draining. And you try your best to just eliminate the thoughts, feelings, emotions around this area and move forward in life, but it has been difficult for you. Now, the guidance in this area is very clear. It says that anything in your relationship which is creating any sort of confusion, dilemma, talk about it, take initiative and discuss about it instead of suppressing it, instead of neglecting it, okay? Because suppressing it is not the right way to deal with it, okay? Being vocal about it or asking for reassurance will not ruin a healthy relationship. So you need to keep this thing in mind, okay? And instead of compromising on this area, on your emotions, on your mental and emotional stability, go talk about it, discuss about it, ask for reassurance if you want it, and at the same time be vocal and genuine with your thoughts and emotions, okay? Do not suppress it. That is the best way to find solution in this area, and that is the only way to fix things completely in a relationship.